Stop scrolling. In the next 90 seconds, choose. Will this break you or make you? I don't care how talented you are. I don't care how hard you work. Sometimes life just hits. The unexpected, the uncalled for, the unintentional. You can break physically, mentally, in your heart, in your spirit. Those marks can be defeat or victory. Staying with the breaking produces the blessing. Who you become matters more than what you go through. Right now, you're between two voices, wisdom and worry. Each break is a chance to fold or to get stronger, faster, tougher, more resilient. Find a reason to keep going. If you find it, you'll push through. Tragedy hits everyone. Only the strong survive. The fight isn't over. The fight's beginning. Show the world what you're made of. If you think this is pep talk, wait. Here's one daily habit that changes everything. Try it after this. Say it out loud. I can't beat it. Now say, I can beat it, I will beat it. Say it until you believe it. You don't need a degree, money, or permission. Sometimes you just need insistence. Tell yourself, I'm gonna get through this. Nothing can stop you. Only you can stop you. We don't retreat, we don't run. We stand. I got staying power. This habit, sit up, breathe 3 slow breaths. Say, I will get through this. Do 1 small action, 7 days. Momentum builds. Right now, hand on chest. Breathe 4 in, 2 hold, 5 out. Say, I can, I can, I can. Use that breath, then move. Take the step. At the end of the fight comes victory. Build, you will become, you will remain unbroken. When they say no, say watch me. When life says give up, say not today. Repeat, I will not let this break me. I will get up every time. I will fight. I will be better. I will remain unbroken.